Okay. Another switch up.
Green light, don't stop, go.
I wear chains with my shirt off when I get my dick sucked, and she keep it in her throat like she got the hiccup.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yo, we got us one. 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 MGK. Y'all know what the fuck going on, man. A new song, bro. Pressure. Pressure. With the rose in the back. That's how you starting off. Something like, man, I can't wait to get yadded up. I'm gonna hit the both arms, hit my chest, my back. I might hit my legs. I'm not sure yet about my legs, but I gotta finish my chest, all this, my neck, my arms, my back for sure. Not touching my abs. Not touching none of this. None of this down here. Not the sides. None of that. My abs, all that gonna stay. You feel me? Flexed up in that gym. That's my tattoo forever, brother. Abs are beautiful. They're my work of art. But yeah, man. What can we say, man? It's gonna be a lot of bars we gotta catch. He might be singing, he might be rapping, he might have somebody with him on this, even though it don't say feature. He might throw somebody in there. Never know what MGK gonna pull out his pocket, man. This shit gonna be cool. I feel it. Let's go ahead and jump into it, man. This beat is tough. I got it, bro. I gotta eat my milk and cookie, bro. If you don't drink your milk and cookies, bro, you feel me? I gotta take a bite to that, bro. These homemade cookies, by the way. Oh my god. They're great. R.I.P. Money T. I guess that was his dog. Alright, let's see. Hold up, the switch up.
The diamonds are symbolic of all the pressure they put on me until I shined. My life is symbiotic with the culture. I could never ever lose the vibe. Make sure they rolling one up for me, cause it's been a long ride. We doing this one for Money T. Keep his name alive.
What? MGK is tough, bro.
Hold up. I know how to make an entrance. I'll hop out the truck in the fur with some henchmen. You can skip the introduction. I'm introverted. I don't want your attention.
Nah.
Whatever I say, I'll say it to your face. I don't do it in mentions. I believe God had to put me through.
Say what I gotta say. I don't do it in mentions. I say it to your face, bro. You're not gonna do that shit over the internet, bro. You gonna tell you how you feeling, bro. Straight like that. That's how I am, bro. That's what it got. I'm telling you how I'm feeling. Straight to your face. If I see you, I'm not holding shit in, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Hell, so that I could learn me a lesson. I was 11, sharing a bed with my dad, but didn't have a bedroom. In a recession, 6 of us in a Ford Explorer, didn't have legroom. Everything's destined. It was inevitable. I take on his aggression. Mad at the world cause I'm feeling rejected. Guess that I gotta die to be a legend.
That's him. No. He got what's his name in his video, bro?
Open the toilet and took a piss. Open my mouth, I'm talking shit. Open accounts cause this money don't fit in the safe. My account can't count the shit. This little counterfeit.
He got Ski. Ski in his video.
wear it, it's priceless, can't counterfeit. Stack it up tall as a mountain is. I grow money on trees like a botanist.
When you dropping this?
Right now, I just made the hardest shit I ever heard right now. Wait a minute, look where I was and where I'm at right now. In a plane with no passengers in it, over Cleveland, about to touch down. I got the car keys in the car heart. I don't need them no push in the car start.
Shit.
I got the icing like a Pop-Tart, and I stay spitting fire like a Charizard. I used to be broke, couldn't afford a heater way back in the day when I was opened it for Wiz Khalifa. I just got myself out of a misdemeanor. He said that he wasn't there. I told him that I wasn't either. I broke every bone except my middle finger. Only had a heartbreak once, I won't have two. Free young thug, pour 2 liter. Why is everybody singing like the Dua Lipa? La 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 la.
Why is everybody singing like the Dua Lipa? I mean, shit. You can sing on their ass too, MGK. Another switch up?
Green light, don't stop.
Go. I wear chains with my shirt off when I get my dicks up. And she keep it in her throat like she got the hiccup.
Yeah.
I ain't talk about no mouth though if we hit the lick up. I don't sell, I used to snort the shit. Open that brick up. I don't give a fuck about who's streaming, pull the list up. I'm a father, look at what I did to raise these kids up. There won't be a day I need a vest under my zip up. Cause every time they try to send a shot, it always missed us. I hear that shit in real life. I do not fear the afterlife. My cousin tried to suffocate me. He said the voice in his head was Jesus Christ. Healing my bruise with a piece of ice. I held on myself when I needed a family. Instead, I was left on my own device. Swallowed a pill like a piece of rice. I slept in the attic, had demons. That's in the house off Lee Road. I saw my friend's eyes change. Now he just a body with no soul. I've been in the game, got a lot of exes. Look like a cheat code. I had a couple rappers leaving out the spot with their teeth broke. See the double R's when I creep slow.
I think MGK can really throw hands, bro.
You can't deep throw.
I don't know why I feel like that.
Turn up my voice, make this beat low. I create the wave, but I don't own no beach clothes. Lately I've made a lot of enemies. Lately I've been going through it mentally. So I got a palm and a rock in a pocket in public, protecting my energy. Spiritually, you couldn't measure me. My soul has been here for a century. We came out of high school together and now we tweaking off the meth.
Bro, this shit is so hard, bro. This nigga is tough, bro. Bro, he just did 3 switch-ups in this fucking song, bro. How is he doing this shit? This shit is super tough.
Amphetamine. We thought I was like real up the way shit. You see the double X's? We outside, bitch.
Yo, what is Skeet doing there, bro?
Real Cleveland shit. You see those double X's? We outside, bitch. Yeah, meet me on floor 13.
That's super tough, bro. That's super tough, bro. That's a 10 out of 10, bro. That gotta be a 10 out of 10, bro. Wow. Let's get 500 likes on them all. Nothing like something. Comment below how you feeling, man. Damn. That's yeah. This gotta be trending. It's gonna start trending, bro. If it's not already, it's gonna start trending, bro. It got to. This shit tough. But yeah, man, we're gonna be out of here.